So with the help of modeling coach and walking expert Alean Elston and male model Brandon, I learned that angels aren't the only ones who can turn heads. We can too, all of us. Step 1, a great walker is never fully dressed without a smize, a term coined by former Victoria's Secret model Tyra Banks that means smiling with your eyes.
So let's smile, and then let's actually take our hands and cover our mouths and actually see what we're looking like with that smile. You need to actually be conscious of what is your face saying to the world. Whatever you're thinking in your mind, if you think you're happy, you need to bring that out like times 10 in a photo or if you're doing a show. So let's see you show me your playful smize. Nice.
I'll need a little more practice, but watch Brandon in the smize speed round.
Someone said something that offended you. You just got a new car. Wow.
Smize lesson, check. But how do we nail the walk? Perfect posture.
You put your backs against the wall and take your elbows and kind of gently touch them to the wall. So as a model, you're actually a mannequin. So take one step away from the wall, keeping that posture. And this will be the foundation of your runway walk.
But how do we turn around after striking a pose like the angels do?
What they're going to do, they're going to turn on the balls of their feet, walk with the foot that is in front, and walk away.
See, this is good for like even people going to get their coffee at the counter. You know,
Yes.
Walk up confident, grab your coffee, thank you, and then balls of your feet.
Yes.
And step it back, and guess what? Hello world.
Exactly.
We're hitting the day.
Make the world your runway. Sidewalks, streets, hallways, everything is your runway.
Vittoria Woodill, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Tori working it
She was
there.
working it. The
Yeah.
world is her
She
runway.
had a good smize. You gotta have the smize.